Alright, first cold start video. Set it up here. It's pretty cold out here. It's like 30 something degrees. 35 degrees. Deleted the mufflers. Muffler delete. Ton of parts from there too. Aftermarket headlights. Some cheap eBay ones. MHD stage 2 tune. You guys know I'm an Eagles fan, so just so you guys know. I'm going just for a little morning drive. Rebuilt engine, fully rebuilt. Tear down cams, rods, pistons, crank. Rod bearings, twin turbo, arm down pipe, front 7.5 inch intercooler, valve. Mark that made these. I was getting the other one that you can't see way down here. That's about it. Then I'll order the oil cooler. And yeah, it's better, guys. Just take you guys to the POV in a few minutes, guys.
Hour later.
1,000 miles, guys. Back on the tow truck again. Or not again, first time it's on the tow truck. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. Taking it out the rock fab right now. I don't know, just threw a light, did a pull, didn't even redline it. One pull and then boom, shot. That's my first time seeing under the exhaust right. Pretty good job, but I'm hoping it's something light.